everyone. We're going to find the value of the constants a and b such that the limit as x approaches -3 of square root of x squared minus x minus 3 plus ax all divided by x plus 3 equals b. So we know a limit exists because it equals some constant b. We also know that when x approaches -3, the limit as x approaches -3 of x plus 3 equals 0. Since we have this as our b and the limit exists, that means our numerator must also equal 0. So we're going to set our limit as x approaches -3 of our numerator. And that's going to be square root of x squared minus x minus 3 plus ax. And that also has to equal 0 since we have a constant b. Now let's substitute everything in. This is going to give us square root of -3 squared minus a -3 minus 3 plus a times -3. All right, this is going to equal, this is going to be square root of 9 plus 3 minus 3. So this is just going to equal 3 because the square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 minus 3a equals 0. Therefore, a equals 1. So we have a equals 1. And now we're going to find our b. Our b is going to be, I'm going to write this, the limit as x approaches -3 of square root of x squared minus x minus 3 plus x, because I'm substituting in my a equals 1, all divided by x plus 3. Now what I'm going to do is multiply my numerator by the conjugate. That's going to give me the square root of x squared minus x minus 3 minus x. That means I also have to multiply my denominator by the conjugate. So just copy that down, x squared minus x minus 3 minus x. So after we have that, let me close that up. This is going to be like a plus b times a minus b. That gives you a squared minus b squared. So we're going to get the limit as x approaches -3 of, this is going to just alleviate the square root part. You're going to x squared minus x minus 3 and then minus x squared, all divided by x plus 3 times the square root of x squared minus x minus 3, then minus x here. All right. From there, let's see what happens. The x squares cancel, and I can write this as the limit as x approaches -3, and I can write this as negative x plus 3 divided by all of this, which is x plus 3 times square root of x squared minus x minus 3, and then we still have minus x. So what happens is these two cancel out. And now all we have to do is substitute in for our x. So let's do that. We're going to get, we have the limit as x approaches -3 of -1 divided by square root of x squared minus x minus 3 and then minus x. So let's evaluate our -3. So this is going to equal -1 divided by square root of -3 squared minus negative 3, minus 3, and then we still have minus a negative 3. And again, all of this is going to equal your b, and this is going to equal negative 1 divided by 6. So that is your b, and our a was 1. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.